everyone, welcome to the new Bluey cash register. Let's check it out. First, let's open the cash drawer. You open the cash drawer by pulling on a Chattermax handle. Inside, you can find a Bluey credit card that says Bluey C. Healer, Bluey Christine Healer. This also comes with dollar bucks. We have two $20 bills, two $10 bills, and two $5 bills. And this one is a special dollar buck with the tooth from the Tooth Fairy. In all, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, $70 in dollar bucks. And these are made out of paper. We also have some coins. We have a gold $1, a silver 20-cent, and a silver 50-cent. These are made out of cardboard. Everything fits right back into the cash register. This cash register also comes with two pretend play boxes. Here is the first box that is a Bluey cereal box. Here is a cardboard tea box that has a barcode. The scanner fits here. This scanner is plastic and does not make any noise, but it does say "doot" on it. So you can pretend to go doot. Let's turn the cash register on. On the bottom, you can find the power switch. There are two settings. Here is the first setting. The Bluey button plays the theme song. The Bingo button makes cash register noises. There's a doot, 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 cha-ching. The numbered buttons all make the same beep sound. There is also a second setting that plays phrases. Here is the second setting.
I have to scan all your stuff, okay?
So now the Bluey and Bingo buttons have phrases.
I need to do a tactical wee before shopping. Time to go and pay for all these lovely things. Make sure you pick up some beans for dinner, Rita.
Finally, you can use the Bluey credit card in the top for another beep. And there you have it. There is the new Bluey cash register. What do you think?